Hello, today we are talking about articles. This is part 2 of our blog posts on articles. We have 8 lessons total, and this is about lessons 3, 4, and 5. The prerequisite for these lessons is that your students should know the basic rules around the use of a, an, and the for the general and specific nouns, as well as some specific rules around articles, for example, the cinema and a beautiful cat. In lesson 3, we're going to talk about special uses of the and expressions that don't take the. For example, using the with words such as the top, the middle, the bottom, the beginning, and the end. We'll talk about using the with nouns such as the army, the navy, the police. And we'll talk about not using the with expressions when we are referring to places in general. In our 4th lesson on articles, we talk about the distinction of using the with specific ideas and no definite article for general ideas. For example, children learn new languages easily versus the children are learning English. We also highlight that when we're talking about nouns in general, we use the plural form of countable nouns. And in lesson 5, we talk about special uses for articles. For example, the or a or an with musical instruments. She plays the clarinet, or I bought a clarinet yesterday. The plus an adjective to describe a group of people, the rich, the poor, the young, the elderly, or a and the plus nationality, for example, the French, to describe nationalities in general. And we spend a little bit more time on this since this is the first time we're bringing up the difference of nationalities, and we talk about the concept of country versus nationality. So there's your summary of lessons 3, 4, and 5 about articles. Again, there are 8 in total, and to get access to all of these lessons, plus over 700 other lessons on all aspects of teaching English, sign up for your Off to Class account at offtoclass.com. Start your free trial and take a look around and see what we've got for you and your students.